I know we just recently, launched our HXP 200s and our GB200s. How do you see those being used in the near term, and how do you see that having an impact with that together?
I think Blackwell is the new default platform for training models as well as for doing inference. One of the limitations that we've had in building large models is that the interconnectivity between chips is the limiting factor. So you have InfiniBand, which is, very, very fast, but it's not as fast as the NVLink layer. And what the GB200 system does is connect 72 of these chips together. So I think the result of this is going to be, especially around mixture of expert models, you can train large MOEs with likely like 10 to 15 times more efficiency, which really means that you can put more data through these models when you're training them. You can also build larger models, which generally tend to be, smarter and more accurate. And it's going to really unlock the next step in intelligence. So we are quite excited about this platform. It also enables new sort of programming methodologies around asynchronous execution, where you can do multiple operations and optimize them at the same time. We are writing software and kernels to be able to take advantage of this. And I think what we will see this year is the ideas of reasoning models. They will sort of become default. You won't have LLMs and reasoning LLMs. All LLMs will do reasoning because it just produces better results, more accurate results. The model can reflect on itself, and reasoning is more expensive. It's computationally bound. So you really need more computation to unlock large-scale reasoning efforts. We are now building these things called reasoning clusters that are anywhere from 64 to 10,000 chips that are just dedicated to providing reasoning LLMs, and this is all being built on the Blackwell architecture.